Hello viewers, I hope you are very well at your home and studying well with these online videos. Uh, Previously this channel was known as Vigyan Har Ghar Pathshala, Har Ghar Bane Pathshala, but I have changed the name of this channel now. It's become e-learning science. So I welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel e-learning science. Today we are going to be discuss some most important you can say top 30 multiple choice questions of general science which always asked in every kind of competitive examinations, right? So you will be learn more about these MCQs, how to gain your knowledge. So let's start without any delay. uh, Here comes your first question. Yeah, this one. Your first question is, which of the following is a large blood that carries blood away from the heart? Actually, there's a mistake in the question. It should be, which of the following is a large blood vessel that carries blood away from the heart? Okay, and here are your options. First option is vein, second option is artery, and third option is capillary, and your fourth option is nerve. You have to find out the correct answer of this question. I think everybody knows that, so I will tell you the correct answer is B, artery, right? So in this way you can learn all kind of multiple choice questions and you can gain the knowledge. Here comes your second question. Second question is, what is the reason for sweetness of fruits? What is the reason of the sweetness of the fruits? Your options are, option A is ribose, option B is lactose, option C is fructose, and option D is maltose. Now what do you think, what is the reason of the sweetness of the fruits? The exact answer of this question is fructose, option C. Due to the presence of the fructose, the fruits are sweet. Okay, let's move on to question number 3. Question 3 is, what is the total number of bones in human body? Your options are, option A is 183, option B is 180, option C is 196, and option D is 206. What is the exact answer of this question? Its exact answer is option D, 206. There are 206 body bones in our body. Now let's move for the next question. Question number 4. Here comes your question. Question number 4 is, yellow color of urine is due to the presence of which of the following? What is the reason of yellow color of the urine? What do you think? See, here are your options. Option A is yellow cells, option B is due to the presence of cholesterol, option C is due to the presence of hemoglobin, and option D is due to the presence of urochrome. Urochrome? Yeah. Right answer is option D, urochrome. Due to the presence of the urochrome, urine color is yellow. Urochrome basically is the yellow colored pigment, right? Let's move for the next question. Question number 5. Here comes your question number 5. Question number 5 is, the larva of a housefly is called. What is the larva of housefly called? Your options are, option A is maggots, option B is pupa, option C is larva, and option D is tadpole. What do you think, what is called the larva of a housefly? The right answer is option A, maggots. The larva of a housefly is called maggots, right? Let's move toward the question number 6. Question number 6 is, question number 6 is, the larva of frog is called. What you call the larva of the frog? Your options are, option A is maggots, option B is pupa, option C is tadpole. Option D is all of these. What do you think? What is the right answer of this question? Yeah, here move the answer. Answer is C. Option C is the right answer, tadpole. Right? The larva of a frog is called tadpole. Next question. Question number 7. Yeah, here comes your question. Question number 7 is, what is gene? What do you mean by gene? Your options are, option A is a part of RNA, option B is a part of DNA, option C is a part of chromosome, and option D is a part of liver. The right answer is a part of DNA. Gene is a part of DNA, right? Let's move toward the question number 8. Question number 8 is, here comes your question. What is the name of genetic material present in the cell? Your options are, option A is a carbon, option B is DNA, option C is RNA, and option D is carbohydrate. What do you think? What is the genetic material of the cell? Its right answer is DNA. DNA is the genetic material present in the cell. Okay, I think you have all understood these 8 questions. Now move toward the question number 9. You can learn these questions after pausing my video, because if you're not able to recapitulate these questions immediately, then you can pause my video or run it or play it slowly, right? Now move to the question number 9. Question number 9 is, where does the respiration process get completed? Your options are, option A is in chloroplast, option B is in ribosomes, option C is in lysosomes, and option D is in mitochondria. The right answer is option D, in mitochondria. Now move toward the question number 10. Yeah, question number 10 is, where does pheromones found? Where does pheromones found? Your options are, option A in insects, option B in birds, option C in snakes, and option D in bears. Where did you find that pheromones are present? The right answer is in option A, in insects. Here comes the question number 11. Let's move toward it. Question number 11 is, which is the largest gland of our body? Everybody know that. I think everybody know that. Which is the largest gland of our body? Your options are, option A is a liver, option B is pancreas, option C is pituitary gland, and option D is stomach. What do you think? Which is the largest gland of our body? The right answer is A, liver. Liver is the largest gland of our body. Okay, next question is, question number 12 is, in which of the following organs deoxygenated blood becomes oxygenated? Just read carefully. In which of the following organs deoxygenated blood becomes oxygenated? Your options are, option A is heart, option B is in pancreas, option C is in lungs, and option D is in kidney. What do you think? In which organ deoxygenated blood get oxygenated? It's a C. Right answer is C, in lungs. Okay, let's move toward the question number 13. Question number 13 is, in which of the following organs blood impurities are filtered? In which part of these our body the impurities of the blood get filtered? Your options are, option A heart, option B pancreas, option C lungs, and option D kidney. Right answer is in kidney, right? Okay, let's move toward the next question. Question number 14. Here comes your question. How many types of blood groups are? How many types of blood groups there are? Your option is option A 7, option B 4, option C 3, and option D is 5. What do you think? What is the right answer? Very right. The right answer is option B. 4 blood groups are total there all. Let's move to the question number 15. Question number 15 is, here comes it on your screen. In which of the following blood is not present but still respiration takes place? In which of the following option blood is not present but respiration still takes place? Your options are, option 1 is earthworm, option B kangaroo, option C hydra, option D cockroach. And the right answer is option C hydra. Let's come to the question number 16. Question number 16 is, who proposed DNA double helix model? What do you think? Who proposed DNA double helix model? Your options are Leeuwenhoek, option B is Dalton, option C is Robert Hooke, and option D is Watson and Crick. Yes, tell me, what is the right answer? Yeah, very much sure. Right answer is option D, Watson and Crick. Watson and Crick are the scientists who proposed the double helix model of the DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. Now comes to the next question, question number 17. Here comes on your screen. Question number 17 is, what else sea snake called? What is the other name of the sea snake? Your options are, option A cuttlefish, option B is silverfish, option C is devilfish, and option D is hydrafish. Which out of these which is called sea snake? The right answer is hydrafish, option D, right? Let's move to the question number 18. Here comes the question number 18. Biggest part of human brain. What is the biggest part of human brain? Option A is cerebrum, option B is cerebellum, option C is spinal cord, option D is medulla oblongata. Which is the biggest part of the brain, means largest part of the brain? The right answer is option A, cerebrum. Question number 19. Here comes on your screens. Read it carefully, then also read this option carefully. Only then you can give the answer. Option, your question is, cerebrum is associated with, the spelling of cerebrum is wrong, it's BRUM. Okay. With what cerebrum is associated? Your options are, option A liver, option B pancreas, option C brain, and option D is heart. It's very easy question, everybody must know. Cerebrum is concerned or associated with the brain. The right answer is option C. Okay, let's move toward the question number 20. Here comes on your screen. Nephron is a part of which of the following organs? Nephron is a part of which of the following organs? Option A is heart, option B is brain, option C is liver, and option D is kidney. Out of these four parts, what do you think, with which part nephron is linked? The right answer is option D, with kidney. Nephron is a part of kidney. It's used to filtration. Now comes to the question number 21. Yeah, here comes your question. What is the total number of chromosomes in human beings? In human beings, what is the total number of chromosomes? Your options are: option A is 49, option B is 48, option C is 46, and option D is 43. What is the right answer of this question? Yeah, guess. Okay, I tell you. Option C. Option C is the right answer. 46. Yeah, in our body 46 chromosome total are present. Here comes the next question. Question number 22. Okay, below you are saying the three options. They are not the options. They are wrong answer. Actually, they are already proposed in the slide, so doesn't mind it. Question number 22 is: what does sterilization of man called? Option A is vasectomy. Option B is cystectomy. Option C is neurotomy, and option D is tubectomy. What does sterilization of man called out of these four options? The right option is option A, vasectomy. The sterilization of a man is called vasectomy. Let's move to the next question. Yeah, question number 23. Which of the following is called poisonous lizard? Which of the following is called poisonous lizard? Option A is Vorenus. Option B is chameleon. Option C is Heloderma, and option D is none of these. Out of these, which is the right answer? Right answer is option C. Heloderma is also known as poisonous lizard. Let's move toward the question number 24. Where does fertilization takes place? What do you think? Where does the fertilization process takes place? Your options are: option A in ovary, option B in uterus, option C in oviduct, and option D is none of these. Now you can guess, or you can tell me. You can tell me the answer of these questions in the comment box also. The right answer is in oviduct. The fertilization process takes place in oviduct. Option C. Okay, viewers, I think you are getting well these questions. Now let's move to other question number 25th. Here comes this question on your screen, which is called jellyfish. Jellyfish. Option A is Ovilia. Option B is Hydra. Option C is Aurelia, and option D is none of these. Which is called jellyfish out of these four questions? What do you think? Yeah. Right answer is option C, Aurelia. Aurelia is also called jellyfish. Now move toward the question number 26. Question number 26 is: how many chambers are in frog's heart? In frog hearts, how many chambers are present? Option A 2, option B 3, option 4, and option D 5. Right answer is 3. Option B. Frog's heart is 3-chambered. Frog has 3-chambered heart. Human beings have 4-chambered hearts, but frog has 3-chambered heart. Let's move to the question number 27. Here comes the question on your screen. How many pairs of legs insects have? How many pair of legs insect have? Your options are: option A is 2, option B is 3, option C is 4, and option D is 5. How many pairs of legs insect have? The right answer is option B. 3 pair of legs insects have. Move to the next question. Question number 28. Here comes on your screen. Question number 28 is, the bones of birds are. The bones of birds are, option A is strong, option B is solid, option C is both strong and solid, and option D is ventilated. What do you think? What kind of bones the birds have? The right answer is option D, ventilated. The bird's bones are ventilated. These helps to lighten the weight of the bird so that they can fly easily, right? Let's move to the next question. Question number 29. Question number 29 is, honeybee and ant belongs to which phylum? To which phylum honeybee and ant belongs? Your options are, option A is Insecta, option B is Arthropoda, option C is Mollusca, and option D is none of these. After these four options, which will be the right answer? Honeybee and ant belongs to phylum Arthropoda. Right answer is option B. Okay, let's move to the last question of this video. Here comes question number 30 on your screen. Yeah, question number 30 is, the causal organism of sleeping sickness disease is. Which causes sleeping sickness disease? Your options are, option A is Trichomonas, option B is Trypanosoma, option C is Leishmania, and option D is none of these. Which will be the right answer? What do you think? Which will cause sleeping sickness disease? The right answer is option B, Trypanosoma. Trypanosoma will cause the sleepiness disease. Okay students, let's close to end of this video. In this video I'll tell you 30 top multiple choice question of the general science, which will be always asked in the question in the examination. I think you have enjoyed my video and you have watched carefully. So I hope next time you will also rejoin me and I will give next 30 more questions for you. So enjoy this video, and one request for every viewers, please share and subscribe my channel with your friends so that more and more students get benefited with this video channels. Okay, thanks for watching. We will right back soon with such more videos. Thank you very much.